Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term size queen. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, size queen is a person who prefers partners with large body parts, especially genitals. People use it when talking about attraction preferences and dating. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Size queen first showed up in LGBTQ plus communities during the late 20th century. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people discussing relationships and sexuality. Now let's check out how to use size queen in a sentence. Correct example 1. She jokingly called herself a size queen because she loved big, confident guys. Correct example 2. My friend teased him for being a size queen after he dated 3 tall boys in a row. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said size queen at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using size queen right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Size queen means a person who prefers partners with large body parts, especially genitals. It started in LGBTQ plus communities during the late 20th century, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with size queen in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.